Unbreak My Blonde is not just for blondes. I use it on my hair and I'm obsessed. Hi, my name is Constance Robbins and I'm the owner of Collective Salon in Southern California, and I'm also a global artist and brand ambassador for Matrix. Today we'll be discussing a few factors that may be happening to your blonde hair, or if you have blonde highlights, and how to best maintain them at home in between your salon appointments. Okay, all my blondies out there, I know you have heard of purple shampoo, but do you know why purple shampoo is so important for blondes? Well, when you're pulling yellow, purple is the opposite on the color wheel. So in that case, you want to reach for Matrix So Silver. It's going to help brighten your blonde and keep you brass free and cancel all those yellow undertones. Okay, so let's talk about what's in the So Silver range. First, we have the neutralizing shampoo. This is packed with violet pigments to help neutralize those yellow undertones and help keep the hair looking silver and brass free. Next, we have the So Silver conditioner, and this is nourishing for that beautiful blonde hair. We all know that blondes need a little bit more love, and the conditioning and smoothing of this conditioner is beautiful. It also is super lightweight, so you don't have to worry about weighing your hair down. Lastly, we have the neutralizing mask, and this is for those really heavy duty neutralizing moments that you need to help combat those yellow undertones. If you need to really pack a punch, the So Silver neutralizing mask is for you. Okay, now, purple shampoo isn't for everyone, but let me tell you why. Let's say you're a brunette with some blonde highlights or some balayage. Your hair is gonna pull orange undertones. And for that, you're gonna wanna reach for Matrix Brass Off. It has blue pigments to it, which is opposite on the color wheel to orange, and it's gonna help neutralize and give you that beautiful ash tone. First, we have our neutralizing shampoo. This has a blue violet pigment to it to help neutralize brassy tones. Next, we have Brass Off conditioner. This is one of my favorite conditioners for blondes because it is so nourishing. It helps prevent breakage and also adds moisture to that really needed lightened hair. And lastly, we have the neutralizing mask. This has blue violet tones to it, and this is gonna really pack that punch to give you that extra toning that you need. So if you are really dealing with those really orange undertones, the Brass Off neutralizing mask is gonna be your BFF. This is gonna help keep your blondes ashy and cool in between salon visits. Any hair that is highlighted or blonde is gonna need that little bit of extra love. No matter what toning system you choose to use, you want to keep your hair protected and strong by using Matrix Unbreak My Blonde. Also, Unbreak My Blonde is not just for blondes. I use it on my hair and I'm obsessed. It's designed for all types of lightened hair, whether you're brunette, a blonde, or even a redhead like me. It helps revitalize, strengthen, and moisturize any type of lightened hair because of the citric acid that adds softness and strength. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned some valuable tips for taking care of your hair at home. Make sure you like and subscribe to Hair.com for more hair content. For more information on the products I spoke about today, check out Hair.com, and don't forget to follow me at Constance Robbins on Instagram. Bye!